Howdy hey, how's it going? My name is Lauren May and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be looking at some long hair problems and how to solve them. So let's get straight into it. So as you can clearly see, I have a really long hair and I have for a really long time. I think I've been growing out my hair most of my life. Every time I cut it, I want to grow it back out again. So yeah, I've obviously come face to face with some struggles over the years and I wanted to share them with you, but I would also like to show some solutions to these problems. The first one is having tangled hair all the time, like it's just always knotty because it's just there and it's long and it's everywhere, and no matter how you do your hair, if it's in a ponytail, if it's down, if it's up, it's always tangled, and the struggle is real to keeping it nice and tangle free. My solution for this is that you brush it before you go to bed. That seems to be, for me at least, the best way to keep it as knot free as possible. Brushing it in the morning, I don't know, it just doesn't seem to work as nicely as once you brushed it when you go to bed and then like put it in whatever hairdo you need to do it for and then just sleep in it, and then it just doesn't seem to be knotty in the morning, which is super weird and awesome. And yeah, so that's my handy tip. My tip to go along with that is also the best way to brush your hair is from the tips to the roots, so down upwards. If you're going up down, you're pulling at your roots and potentially like thinning out your hair and damaging your hair. So if you start from the bottom and work your way up, it's more chance that your hair is A, gonna stay on your head longer, and B, just gonna be a little bit more healthier. The second long hair problem that I have is that my hair is really straight and really long, so therefore it's really heavy and it doesn't have any volume because it's just long, straight and heavy, and even now my hair kind of looks a little bit dead and like dull. The best way I combat that is going to bed in either braids or in a top knot bun or in some way that can add a little texture and a little volume. So going to bed in braids gives it some waves in the morning, and going to bed in a bun can give it some curls as well. I mean, it's not going to stay in for very long, but it just gives it that little bit extra volume so that you can then style your hair in the morning a little bit easily with some more extra volume than you would have without doing that. Now, this third long head problem is a little bit strange and odd, and I was debating whether to put it in here, but I feel like I have this struggle a lot and it's something that long hair people don't really talk about, but I have an easy solution for it. So it's like when you're going to the toilet and your hair kind of just gets in the way. So it's either up in a ponytail behind you and it's kind of like getting in your nooks and crannies, or you put it over your shoulder and it's just kind of in the way there as well. So I have a little bit of a solution, and you can work with either way if your hair is behind or in front of you, and that's to kind of lift up your top and cover it so that as you're doing your business it's not in the way and it doesn't fall down because like your armpits are kind of there, and keeping your top secure, and then everything's out of the way. You can do your business and then push your top back down and have your hair all nice and everything, and it's not destroyed and your hair's not like gross because it's been in the way, and it's just a great solution. I'm not sure if it's something that people do just naturally, but it's something that I figured out was handy, is just lifting up your top to cover the ends of your hair and keeping it secure while you do your business. So those are my 3 long hair struggles and my solutions for them. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That would mean so much to me. Let me know in the comments down below what other long hair struggles you may have if you have long hair too. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a button just down below, and you can also push that notification bell and it reminds you every time I upload a video. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and remember, don't forget to hug someone today. Bye!